Viewers, I don't know out here again with another video, you know what I mean? Yeah man, we are go on a team trip, you know what I mean? Yeah man, me and the chance them, you know what I mean? Yeah man, I don't know who out here.
It's a bull bear.
I mean bird out here, you see me?
Sharp ass out here. Damn man, you see me?
I mean bird I watch the road, you see me? You might watch what I go. Yeah man. You see it, you don't know out here, we are go on a small trip man, you see me? And we are touch road, they don't know say we have a chance them out here. We can't left them, you know. Because they don't know say if we reach a one spot and we have to take on the streets, they don't know where to go. You see me? Jump on that, start that, you see me? And flick two back. You see me? So yeah man, watch it and see what go on. You see me? Up top.
Odane Star Channel. We have. Alright. Big up the Odane Star Channel. Dear viewers, you have it, that's an Ella in the street, another one of the Odane Star Channel, you see? Yeah, Ella. Yeah, viewers, I don't know the thing set. We are here live at the beach side in St. Thomas, you know? Legend is here. Arrive safe. These stars over there. Eh?
Yeah, no? Out here.
I will not have no gear.
No fear. Go to see.
So now hot. See the viewers. And I play place it. Real. And we have the audience. Big man D star there forward, you see it? We have to say in a bridging.
Yeah, viewers, I don't know we out here. Just a check in on the seaside, you know what I mean? Yeah man, St. Elizabeth with it. St. Elizabeth with it. St. Elizabeth with it.
I saw fire reach. Yes, you want to travel far, man reach at St. Elizabeth.
St. Thomas a bit.
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas a bit.
Correct it. Yeah, viewers, D-Star, without here again, without fear, the bike them not have no gear, you see it? And we here at St. Thomas live, you know? So you can see. But go and hold it. Tune up the camera there, D-Star, because I put on a show for the people them over here. I make them love over here. You hear? Because you don't know so we not have fear.
St. Thomas a bit.
And them a man a bike now no gear.
And we're flying so close to where we belong. And we're trying to go somewhere new.
Viewers, as you can see, we are here in St. Thomas and we are here with some viewers in the street. So, what's your name?
Simple B, artist. Yeah.
And what's your name?
I am Craig and this an artist from St. Thomas, you know, on the verge, you know.
Alright, so can I ask you a few questions on think about freestyling and bicycle and those things. So, if I do a trick right now, would you impressed by what I do?
Well, I am amazed by anything where I want to put him talent into. So you say if a bicycle, bike, car or anything the virgin, show it.
Yeah, I say no to what I see you do too long. I'm not surprised anything you do after this. Because my virgin say, yeah, everybody's thing is easy.
Yeah man,
Just like
man. Cycle movements, big up yourself.
cycle movement, St. Thomas. See fire there, see fire there.
cycling movements. Kingstonian and a big.
Cycle movement in a St. Thomas. When you think gone to the world, simple be I said that.
Trying to step back and see the view from above, 'cause I know that nothing lasts forever. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gotta move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. 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 Shockwaves with you.
Oh viewers, anchor me up the anchor that one day, nearly fling me over.